So hey fam, welcome back to Indeed the Royale, and in today's video we are going to talk about Demon Slayer Season 2 updates. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Demon Slayer aka Kimetsu no Yaiba has become one of the most successful anime in the recent time. The anime is based on an equally successful manga that goes by the same name. The anime season 1 was widely considered to be one of the best shows of 2019 and went on to win the Best Anime Award at 2K19 New Type Anime Awards. It also became Anime of the Year in 2020 Crunchyroll Anime Awards, and after the season 1 was ended, there was an official announcement by the studio Ufotable that there will be a sequel movie coming out in 2020.
俺は俺の責務を全うする。ここにいる者は誰も死なせない。
And yes, in the October 16, 2020, we got Kimetsu no Yaiba the movie Mugen Train. A recent Crunchyroll report also revealed that this movie has become the second biggest weekend hit in Japanese box office history. Now this video is about season 2, so we are going to particularly talk about season 2 only. So on October 15, a Twitter post was stated that Demon Slayer season 2 is in production. However, as this announcement did not say that the work on season 2 had resumed, there is a chance that the scenes may have been in production for a few months already. Based on this information, an optimistic prediction for Demon Slayer season 2 release date would be April 2021. A more realistic expectation would be for a summer or even fall 2021 premiere. Now, how many episodes will be there in season 2? The season 2 is expected to have 26 episodes as it was in season 1, cause I have never seen any anime with having season 1 with 26 episodes and later turning to 13 episodes. If the show went on with accordance to the manga as it should be, we can expect the entertainment district arc to be animated in the season 2. So if you are guys already a manga reader, you already know what will be happening in the series, but if you are not, then I will be giving you a small synopsis of season 2 so that you could get ready for what will be happening in the future. In this season 2, Tanjiro, Inosuke and Zenitsu will be accompanying the Sound Hashira Tenzen Uzui on a mission to Yoshiwara, a district in Japan. And the major battle and events that will be happening, that are supposed to be happening in season 2, will be Nezuko will develop her demon marks and even a horn coming out from her forehead, and Tanjiro will unlock his Demon Slayer marks. To know in more details what are these Demon Slayer marks, comment down, I will make a video on this topic later on. And as much as like in the season 1, the lower moons were summoned by the Muzan in the Infinity Castle, the upper ranks will be summoned to the Infinity Castle by Muzan. Now I am currently more hyped up than ever for the season 2 as I was for Demon Slayer season 1. I had been reading the manga from the time that it was in the around chapter 20, and that's the time I was reading this manga. I was already so much hyped up for this to be animated. So this is all from my side, and don't forget to subscribe, turn the notification bells on so that you could get notified every time I upload a new video. And like, share this video with your friends, it means a lot to me. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.